The following message is transmitted at the request of the Mars Weather Service. There is currently a megadust whoosh in the following, all of Valo, effective until ended by the termination alert, at 12:45 p.m. August 5th. The Mars Weather Service local Doppler radar indicated a dust storm named Connor for all of Valo. At 7 p.m. or 8 p.m., Connor turned into a megadust storm. At 8 p.m. or 9 p.m., Connor turned into a megadust whoosh, which is effective until ended by the termination alert, which is effective until further notice. We will bring further details soon, so stay tuned for that. And that is all for now. This is the message from the emergency alert system, which is the national alert. Goodbye, for now.